Professor Vinster here. Now, this object right here, this is something that's very useful in the house. I'm going to show you very quickly. I made this on the 3D printer. You take the bottle of ketchup, you open the lid up, you take this, you put it on there. You take the other bottle of ketchup, you take the lid off, you take that, and you screw it on the top of there. So it looks like this. And then you let it sit, and the ketchup goes from the one bottle into the other bottle, and it'll completely clean it out. So there you go. So, like somebody else would say on the internet, there's your dinner. Thanks, Terrell.